Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is very special because you are not just going to listen to English, you are going to speak with me. Yes? Together, right now, we'll use the shadowing technique to practice real English sentences. Shadowing simply means you listen to me and then repeat exactly what I say. Not only the words, but also the rhythm, the speed, and even the emotion. It may feel a little strange at first, but believe me, this is one of the fastest ways to improve your fluency. So, let's begin. We'll start with some simple sentences. First, I'll say them slowly, and then I'll say them at normal speed. Your job is to copy both. For example, I'll say, I am learning English. Slowly first, and then naturally. I'm learning English. You repeat each one out loud. Next, this is my first practice. Slowly first, then naturally. This my first practice. One more. I can speak English. Slowly, and then at normal speed. I can speak English. Don't just listen, speak with me. Now let's move to some daily conversation sentences. Imagine we are actually talking. I'll say, how are you today? Slowly first, and then naturally. How are you today? Then, I'm doing great, thank you. Slowly, then normally. I'm doing great, thank you. Another common one is, what are you doing? Slowly it sounds clear, but naturally it becomes, what you doing? That's how native speakers connect words. Repeat it with me. And now reply with, I'm watching this video. First slowly, then naturally. I'm watching this video. Excellent work. You're speaking already. Let's practice some slightly longer sentences. Listen carefully and copy me. Slowly. I want to improve my English every day. Naturally. I want to improve my English every day. Another one. Speaking English is easier when I practice daily. At normal speed it becomes smoother. Speaking English is easier when I practice daily. And one more powerful line. I believe I can become fluent if I don't give up. Slowly first and then naturally at full speed. Take your time and repeat with me. Now let's make our practice even more interesting. I want you to imagine a real situation and speak along with me. For example, let's pretend we are meeting for the first time. Slowly I'll say, hello. My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. And at normal speed, it becomes, hello, my name's Alex. Nice to meet you. Now your turn, introduce yourself using the same sentence. Don't just think it, actually say it out loud. Next, imagine we are talking about our day. I'll say slowly, I woke up early this morning. Naturally, I woke up early this morning. Now add another sentence. I had breakfast and then I went to class. And naturally, I had breakfast and then I went to class. See how natural it feels when you connect the sentences. Keep repeating with me. Let's try a short conversation. I'll play both roles and you shadow me. Slowly first. Hey, how's it going? Naturally. Hey, how's it going? Then, I'm good, thanks. What about you? Naturally. I'm good, thanks. What about you? And the reply, I'm a little tired, but I'm okay. Naturally, I'm a little tired, but I'm okay. Shadow each part with me, and notice how much it feels like a real conversation. Here's something important. Don't just copy the words, copy my emotion. If I say a sentence happily, you say it happily. If I say it seriously, you say it seriously. For example, listen. I am so excited to learn English today. Say it with the same excitement. I am so excited to learn English today. Now more serious. I need to practice hard if I want to be fluent. Copy the seriousness in your tone. This is how you not only sound fluent, but also sound natural and alive. Let's practice one last mini dialogue. Slowly. Excuse me. Can you help me find the bus stop? Naturally. Excuse me. Can you help me find the bus stop? The reply, sure, just go straight and then turn left. Naturally, sure, just go straight and then turn left. Try both lines with me and imagine you're really asking for directions. You see, this is the power of shadowing. You're not just memorizing vocabulary or grammar, you are training your mouth, your ears, and your brain to work together in English. The more you shadow, the faster your mouth learns the rhythm of the language, and the more your ears get used to fast, connected speech. Over time, English will stop feeling foreign and will start to feel natural. So if you practiced with me today, I am proud of you. You've already done more than most learners do in a week. I encourage you to watch this video again tomorrow and repeat all the sentences again. Shadowing works best with repetition, and every time you repeat, you'll sound a little smoother and a little more confident. And one last tip before we end, don't just shadow with me. Try shadowing your favorite actor, singer, or YouTuber. Pick a short clip of them speaking, play one sentence, pause, and then copy them exactly. Do this regularly, and very soon people will notice how natural your English sounds. So, keep speaking with me, keep shadowing, and remember, fluency is not built in a day, but with daily practice it is guaranteed. If you enjoyed this session, let me know in the comments which sentence was your favorite to repeat. And if you want more videos like this, where we practice together, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for speaking with me today. I'm so proud of you. See you in the next video.